Hey loves, thank you so much for tuning into my channel. If you're new here, my name is Show Love, and if you love this video, don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel. So today we're going to be learning how to create a product mock-up in Silhouette Studio software. And the links for where I purchased the image will also be listed down below. So let's go ahead and get into it. So the first thing you want to do is pull up your blank mockup as well as your design in Silhouette Studio. From there, I like to take my image and place it to the side of where you'll be working, where you're usually working. And the reason for that is because I like to make the image as big as I can. And then you're going to select your design and you want to get it as close as possible to the actual product that you're selling. So here I am just working on the placement of the design. And once you're done with that, you want to select your design and then go to the color tool and change the transparency to about 8%. And the reason for that is because you want it to have a natural look. You don't want it to be too unrealistic. Then from there, I'm going to screenshot my image. To screenshot on a MacBook Pro, you will select the keys Command Shift and the number 4. For my Windows-based users, I have listed a link below to a video of how to screenshot as well. Alright, and that's it. So from there, I'm just going to show you guys what the mock-up looks like. So I have my mock-up created, and that's it, guys. You have successfully learned how to create a mock-up in Silhouette Studio. Thank you so much for watching this video, and don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel for more videos like this. Bye, loves.